Hi everyone, it's 𝐸𝑒_GLAM. I am going to give you cozy glam on this day. I decided to do a cozy day with you all. I have my mask on. I'm going to whiten my teeth. I wash my braids and I condition my braids. Here is my tree that's all decorated, and I have 10 trees all through my home. I hope you enjoying this vlogmas of the Christmas season. I'm really excited, and congratulations to my sister who made feature on 𝓁𝒾𝓀ℯ. Here's her picture right here. Congratulations to Sassy_T_, and her name is Christina Burge on Facebook. You can follow her and follow me, 𝐸𝑒_GLAM, where I keep it beauty, keep it 100 on my channel, and I'm also on Mr. Traveler. And you can follow my husband on Mr. Traveler 74 on Instagram. Let's get this cozy day started. I hope you all are enjoying the holiday season. We just finished up with Thanksgiving. We're on our way to Christmas. We have 16 days left. This robe is from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it below. I love that it has pockets and it's nice and waffled, and it feels really, really good and soft when you get out the tub. I really love it. In order to be glam on the outside, you must also take care of your inside, and I love to have my Pamper days. As you can see, different scents around the holiday because I live in Florida. It's so hot here. Here is my diffuser. I picked this up from Disney Springs at the Walt Disney World store. It's the biggest Disney World store in the world, and it actually changed colors. It's so pretty. It has a heatless smoke that comes out. It changes colors, and I love to have this in the bathroom. It smells like peppermint right now. This particular peppermint was sent to me from my cousin that lives in Michigan. She was actually on one of our group cruises. She sent me a bunch of things. Thank you so much. And as you can see, I collect scents because we live in Florida. It's so hot here that I have to turn my house into smells. This is mistletoe, holly Hawaii, green clover, aloe, that's my favorite, wooden lodge. It smells just like the wooden lodge here at Disney. And this one was sent from my cousin. This is lavender. And I like to mix them together and give my home a scent for the seasons. Whatever season it is, I like to scent my home with it, and I use it for therapeutic purposes as well. And I like to mix them inside my shea butter and my lotions. And since we hit below 60 degrees here in Florida, it's the first cool day of the season, I decided it's a perfect day for pot roast. And now that I have my pamper routine down and I have my smells going on with my pot roast done, it's time for me to decorate my Christmas tree and put some Christmas decorations up. They make me feel better, and I love walking in my home and seeing them every single day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you loved it. Thank you so much for watching my vlogmas.